Venture off the beaten path to discover ingenious innovations redefining life outdoors. From gourmet coffee to gourmet grilling, experience refined luxury even in rugged wilderness thanks to global gear game changers. So spark new traditions, embracing the call of the wild, knowing smart gear has your back. The ultimate outdoor experience awaits thanks to global innovation. Now get out there. Leave the percolator behind and craft rich pour-overs trailside with the Field Coffee Master. Inspired by specialty Japanese cafes, its premium build packs efficiently, yet create incredible modular brewing versatility for 1 or 2 people. Insert the glass carafe into the stainless kettle with the dripper atop. Boil water to steep grounds to preferred strength. Or remove the pieces to drizzle artisanal patterns over waiting mugs. However you enjoy it, savor perfectly extracted flavor everywhere under the sun, thanks to a global infatuation realized in durable, packable form. That's the Field Coffee Master's promise. Looking for a fast and efficient way to inflate your paddleboard? Look no further than the electric SUP air pump. With a powerful output of 20 psi, this pump can inflate your board in just minutes. The easy-to-read digital interface allows you to preset your desired pressure levels, and the pump will automatically shut off once it reaches the target pressure. Plus, with built-in redundancy and manual override protections, you can be sure that you'll hit the water on time. Weighing in at under 5 pounds and including a 12-foot hose and 7 unique nozzle attachments, this pump is easy to transport and store. Say goodbye to slow manual pumps and bulky compressors. FLEXTAILGEAR's electric pump gives you the best of both worlds in a convenient package. Built ready to deliver flickering ambiance anywhere friends gather, Ignik's freestanding stainless steel FireCan creates an instant campfire atmosphere at a moment's notice. It is easy to use. Simply connect the included 5-foot hose to standard propane tanks, strike the ignition, dial in your ideal heat level, and let the conversation around dancing flames unfold. The mesh sides of the FireCan create a mesmerizing 360-degree light show, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the flickering ambiance. The locking lid makes it easy to transport the FireCan to your next gathering, whether it's a picturesque sunset or a late-night get-together. Cook trailside feast with restaurant reheating ease thanks to Alocs' optimized lightweight camping cookware set. Utilizing proprietary hardened aluminum and food-safe silicone composites, their smartly stackable camping pots retain heat fantastically. The matching non-stick pan sizzles perfectly over small flames, aided by folding handles that accelerate cooling between dishes. Best of all, the 5-piece nesting set packs neatly inside an included breathable carry case, so your gourmet backcountry kitchen stays neatly organized from start to finish. For versatility, besting bulky cast iron without sacrificing an ounce of heating performance, rely on Alocs to sustain hungry adventurers pot after pot. Stop struggling with gravity-fed trickles in camp. Nemo's freestanding Helio portable shower unleashes satisfying spray at the push of a foot pump. With just a push of a foot pump, you can unleash a satisfying spray that ranges from a gentle mist to a powerful jet stream. The shower's low-profile reflective silver reservoir stands sturdy on the ground and holds ample water, while an adjustable nozzle lets you control the water flow. Large valves enable fast drainage after rinsing, so you can pack up and move on quickly. You can keep the whole family feeling fresh every step of the journey with pressurized, clean water wherever the path leads you. With visual allure rivaling modern sculptures, the MetMo Driver ratcheting multi-tool celebrates engineering heritage in substance and style. Forged premium metals interlock seamlessly within a classic mid-century silhouette, operational as both fastening lifesaver and executive fidget amusement. Adorned with visual appeal from precision-machined metals and moving parts, this distinctive multi-tool supplies ample torque for driving screws with ease. Flip the switch for reverse motion or lock rotation for manual control. With handy bit storage up front, MetMo's modern heirloom pulls double duty as satisfying desk sculpture and garage shop hero. An heirloom reaching across eras to tackle today's tasks. That's the magic of MetMo ingenuity. Be prepared to handle the unexpected demands of the untamed wild with survival tools like NedFoss's full-tang fixed-blade Kukri knife. Echoing the iconic curved shape favored by Gurkhas of Nepal, it makes swift work of chopping wood, preparing wildfare, or protecting yourself if needed. The wide blade expertly balances in hand for powerful, accurate cuts, while ergonomic grips minimize slippage when conditions get wet. Carry it proudly outside your pack or belt in its handsome, protective leather sheath. Prepare to witness why history's greatest survivalists swear by the Kukri's resilient versatility at their side. Master campsite tasks from splitting stubborn logs to whittling humble utensils with BeaverCraft's rugged, hand-forged wood hatchet axe. Skilled European blacksmiths shape and sharpen each one from top-grade carbon steel before fitting an ergonomic ashwood handle into place. The final honed edge and balanced weight make fast work of chopping or carving. The studded rubber grip stops slippage during forceful swings, allowing precise aim, while an included leather mask protects the blade between jobs. Tested in brutal Siberian forest yet priced affordably, carry this outdoor ally anywhere, knowing firewood and fresh shelters wait at every clearing. Stay toasty at the big game, campsite or worksite as temperatures dip with Mr. Heater's compact, yet capable propane radiant space heater. It quickly warms areas up to 225 square feet via clean burning convection heat powered by attaching 1-pound cylinders, lasting over 5 hours at high output. Helpful features like a tip-over safety auto shut-off, foldable carrying handle, and integrated ignition switch make outdoor and emergency warmth reliable and worry-free. Stop sacrificing comfort or safety thanks to compact auxiliary heat rugged enough for any activity. Sleep sound through icy alpine nights wrapped inside the versatile Katahdin 0-degree sleeping bag from leading outdoor experts Hyke and Byke. Made for dedicated adventure enthusiasts and weekend wanderers alike, its cozy mummy silhouette filled with premium synthetic insulation maintains insulating performance even in wet conditions. Heat-trapping pockets retain comforting loft, letting you snooze soundly inside the durable, water-resistant ripstop shell. Lightweight yet roomy, it packs easily without taking up valuable space in your backpack. Rest easy, knowing warmth never weighs you down inside this innovative 4-season refuge built to thrive where the cold wind blows. Maximize backcountry versatility carrying Hayvenhurst's 10-in-1 slim yet bustling stainless steel camping multi-tool. Precision welds unite pliers, wire cutter, knife, can opener, screwdrivers, and more into a slim yet solid psychedelic swirl-finished body, ready to tag along close at hand. Toss it in a backpack pocket or glove box so a little bit of help is always on tap to assemble gear, prep kindling, crack refreshments, or handle unexpected issues as far-flung adventures unfold. The difference between backyard barbecue wizard and weekend warrior lies in the right protective gear able to go the extra mile. Weedabest engineers just that, defending hands and forearms from spectacular flames with thick woven aramid fiber gloves, rated to withstand scorching 1300 Fahrenheit temperatures with aplomb. Textured silicone layers prevent slippery miscues, flipping sizzling meat and charred veggies in confidence. Afterwards, gentle cotton liners keep hands comfy even during extended grilling sessions. Don't just settle for heat guards. Gear up properly for greatness with industrial strength protection, comfortable all night long behind the grill. Dominate bitter winter days without missing a beat insulating hands inside Unigear's rechargeable heated glove set. Plush, soft leather shells set the stage for triple-layered inner fabrics generously stuffed with Thinsulate insulation topping most ski gloves. Tuck twin slim batteries at the wrist to power clever angled heating wires channeling adjustable heat to a soothing 140 Fahrenheit for 8 hours and more of non-stop operation. Hunt, hike, and work hands, free feeling confident as falling mercury challenges bare fingers. With 3 settings and advanced smart controls, finally retain feeling in style without sacrificing mobility. Relax in luxurious heat around the backyard fire or deep in deer country with our ingenious SunnyFeel heated camping chair. Clever heating elements in the plush seating surface safely warm to a soothing 110 Fahrenheit at the push of a button, while powder-coated steel legs hold up to 300 pounds in stability. Power it from any USB battery bank, and feel rejuvenation permeate through long days spectating kids' games or bagging that trophy buck. When the pursuit pauses, onboard cup holders and storage pockets keep food and drinks easily accessible, the ultimate outdoor throne ready at a moment's notice. And there you have it. 14 brilliant gadgets upgraded with the latest innovations to bring versatility, durability, and convenience to your next outdoor adventure. These purpose-driven devices deliver performance perfect for life on the move. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss our newest gear and reviews as we continue spotlighting cutting-edge equipment designed with mobility in mind. Thanks for watching. Now get equipped and get going on your next memorable journey.